see? Walking, walking, Jimbo's walking. Oh, you want to try climbing, Jimbo? So once again, what I'm going to do, instead of pushing on his bottom, give him a starter block on the feet. That pushes the energy into the quads, it forces them to push off, get straight there, and take responsibility for their body and space. So a reminder, we want to keep everybody healthy and well. We want to enhance your development. We want it to all be good. So little things. When you see that a baby sometimes drools, which they will do, not only do we put mouth items in the laundry, we also try to make sure that, like if we see a little drool mark, if I don't see it, then and you see it, grab a wipe, or if you see the parents, oh, the wipes are right over there. You know, we say it nicely. And then we just wipe it up. Okay, I'm not crazy about these things, but they like kill 99.9% or something crazy when it comes to any kind of stuff. There you go, Abby, you show her. So Abby's climbing up, 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 up. Oh, sorry, it's a little wet, Abby. Up, 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 keep coming.